new book, The Exodus Mysteries of Midian, Sinai, and Jabal al-Lawz by Dr. Glen A. Fritz, uses geographical analysis to present a step-by-step case for a Mount Sinai location in northwest Arabia. This idea is based on his prior Lost Sea of the Exodus research, which showed that the sea crossing occurred at the Gulf of Aqaba and not near Egypt. Thus, Mount Sinai should be sought on its far shore, perhaps near Midian. The Exodus Mysteries is a beautifully bound 576-page work with 350 maps and images. It first clarifies a domain of Midian in order to catalog the mountains and travel corridors in its vicinity. This framework is then used to reconstruct Moses' excursion from Midian to the Mountain of God. The identity of Mount Sinai is refined further using topographical, historical, archaeological, and geological data. All of these findings are merged with a biblical Exodus itinerary to project the Hebrews' route between the sea and the mountain. The Exodus Mysteries closes with an explanation of the Exodus travels beyond Mount Sinai. This work provides a wealth of new information that will challenge thinkers, spur imaginations, and answer many difficult age-old questions. It is available at www.ancientexodus.com.